Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the keyboard in a Lenovo X131e Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the battery. Next, you will remove the two bottom cover screws. Now, you will loosen the three screws holding the bottom plate cover on, and then remove the bottom plate cover. Next, you will remove the two memory sticks. Now, you will remove the tape from the wires on the SD card and disconnect the two Wi-Fi antenna cables from the Wi-Fi card. Next, you will remove the SD card screw and then remove the SD card. Now, you will remove the Wi-Fi card screw and then remove the Wi-Fi card. Next, you will remove the two M2x8 keyboard screws. Now, you will use your spudger to loosen the keyboard and then lift the keyboard up and tilt it toward you. Next, you will disconnect the two keyboard cables and then remove the keyboard. The first step in the installation of your replacement keyboard will be to reconnect the two keyboard cables. Now, you will snap the keyboard into place. Next, you will replace the two M2x8 keyboard screws. Now, you will replace the Wi-Fi card and the Wi-Fi card screw. Next, you will replace the SD card and the SD card screw. Now, you will reconnect the two Wi-Fi antenna cables to the Wi-Fi card. Next, you will tape down the 2 wires on the SD card. Now, you will replace the 2 memory sticks. Next, you will replace the bottom plate cover and tighten the 3 bottom plate cover screws. Now, you will replace the 2 bottom cover screws. The final step will be to replace the battery. You have now successfully replaced the keyboard in your Lenovo Chromebook. Good job!